Funding Pips versus the 5 Rs. Funding Pips is a newer prop trading firm offering traders a chance to trade funded accounts with relatively fast evaluations. They market themselves as flexible and beginner friendly, with quick scaling opportunities. So the pros of this platform is it has simple evaluation model. It also has a lower profit target compared to some competitors. They also have a lot of scaling opportunities if you're consistent, and they give competitive profit splits for traders. The cons is though, it's still relatively new, so less track record than other firms. It also has a limited educational resources and community support. And lastly, the payout processing can sometimes take longer. Now the 5Rs on the other hand is a long-standing prop firm with a strong reputation. They're known for their conservative approach, offering long-term growth path for traders. They also have one of the most established trader communities, which is established reputation and global trader community. They also have a multiple program options, which is a low end risk and progressive platform. It also has a payout, which are reliable and consistent, and they have a strong focus on traders and development and the longevity of it. Although it comes with some cons to consider. It can be conservative with the rules. They also have lower leverage compared to some newer firms, and the profit targets can take longer to achieve. So overall, if you want a reliable, established prop firm with proven track record, the 5 Earths is the safer choice. But if you're looking for a newer firm with faster challenges and more flexibility, funding pips could be a good option.